Hi guys! So in tonight's tutorial, we're gonna make a pop-up boat. We have 2 pieces of A4. Actually, this is not A4. I think this is like A3, but I don't care. We have scissors or cutter. We have ruler. We have pencil. And we have glue. So for this, we're just gonna cut the template first. Remember, cut the dotted lines for the full lines. Okay, so now we have our pieces. Now we fold our other paper in half. There. Oh, remember to fold the pieces too. The folding is very important. Hold on. Okay, now we take these 2 parts. Wait, no, actually we take one of these parts. We take our glue, like this. We paste the glue over here. Doesn't matter if it's like here or here, just on one side. And then, you see this part? We stick it in the middle. This. And then, so that it's natural, all pop-ups must be natural, we close the card. And then, as I have told in the meeting, usually I hit it. But now, I'm gonna be soft and gentle to this paper. I'm gonna massage it. Now we open it up. Ta-da, it's already stuck. We lay it flat. We lay it flat. So from this, we lay it flat like this. We take this small piece and this piece. We fold it. And then we glue the small piece. Glue the small piece. And then we close the card again. Massage. Now we open it. Ta-da! We have our first box. Okay, now we do the same with the second one. Doesn't have to be perfect. Nothing is perfect. Okay, now we got both of our boxes. We take this part. We stick a very tiny part of this like this, then we stick it onto the boat. There. Now we take the glue. We glue this side with this. Like that. After that, we close the card. We open it again. Oh wait, no. Actually, why doesn't it work every time? Bippity boppity boo! Bippity boppity. Bippity boppity. Ooh, yay! I definitely did not open the boxes again and did it manually. Okay, I'll try one more time. Bippity boppity boo! Yay! Okay, now we take these parts. We fold the creases backwards and forwards. Okay, now we take this side. We take this side. We glue it like this. I think I put too much glue. We take the side with no creases and then we stick it together. Look at this. There is too much glue. Pro tip. If you put in too much glue, take it out with a tissue or with your hand. Because if there's too much glue inside the paper, then it can lead to a sticky situation. Like this. Okay, now we're done with this. We do the same with the other side. Take the crease. Why are you filming my face? Take the end with no creases. And then stick it together. Yep, like this. Come on. And then, what do? We take this. We make it like this. Yeah. So we glue the sides. The other side too. Oh geez, this is so open. And then we just put it in. Ta-da! We close the card again to make sure that it's natural. Oh, so sorry, card. So sorry. Are you okay? Are you hurt?
So after you slap it, you massage it.
Okay. Beepity boppity boo! Yay! This is our boat. We just need to add a flag. Thank you.
It's done.